In this video, we will learn how to create a profile API. Let's go ahead and do that. Technically, for this specific route, it will have two HTTP methods attached to it. One is get and another one is post method. Logically speaking, the way to create both HTTP methods are, so let's go to account.js, and this is how you do it. Router.get profile router.post profile. There's another way to do it more efficiently. So you wanna do router.route and one name, which should be profile, and then we have get and post. So technically, this is how it is. It's like chaining method, alright? So you don't want to add semicolon here, or you will receive an error. So we're just going to do it like this. So it looks a bit nicer and, under just one profile name instead of like this one. So we're going to remove this. And now we want to import our custom middleware. So let's go top here and cons check JWT, let's give it a name, and then require middleware check JWT. Awesome. So here you want to add check check JWT, and then request response and next. Then you want to use it find one d d, and then dir user span JSON true user message successful. Never, don't put a semicolon here or you will receive an error. So the first thing we did is we put a middleware first, which is check JWT. It will run this middleware first before proceeding with the error function no matter what. Technically, it will run this function first. It will check whether you provided the token or not. If it's not, then it will return, no token provided. Then it will find a single document, which attribute is the ID. So we pass in request.decoded.user._id. If the token is provided, then this will have a value. And then we simply, response with three objects: success, user, which is the most important, and the message. So let's go ahead to our, let's hit semicolon here, and then let's go to our postman and let's test it out. So without the token first, localhost 3030 API, and then accounts profile. Let's go ahead and test it first. Okay, could not get a response, obviously because we haven't started server yet. Start the server first. Alright, let's go to postman, and it is a get method. So you go to Visual Studio, it is a get method, but we haven't sent any token yet, so we want to check whether it returns this error or not, no token provided. So let's go to postman and send. Alright, there's an error, get API accounts profile. Let's go to Visual Studio and server.js API accounts. Again, we always forgot, we gotta save this file first and save this file and then check our terminal. Magic happens. Alright, so let's go back here and then send. No token provided. So now let's enter some token. So authorization, and then you want to go to login. So you want to log in again. So let's enter the correct one, which should be abc.com abc123 send. You get a token, copy the entire thing, copy, go here, go to header, value, paste it here. Then you want to send. Failed to authenticate token. You know why? Because I copied this as well. So, meaning it's a wrong token, so it's correct. That it is not the right token. So send it again. Boom, we received the correct user object. Awesome. In the next video, we will learn how to edit our users' information. So we're gonna actually do it here. I'll see you guys in the next video.